1 little, 2 little, 3 little engines, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little engines, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little engines, 10 little Indian boys. Hi kids, Teacher Lorie again. Today we will learn our new letter friend. And for today's lesson, we will learn letter I. Are you ready? Okay, can you help me name the objects or the pictures that start with the letter I inside this tipi? Okay, help me. Here's the first one. This is igloo. And this one is inchworm. Say inchworm. Great. And this one. Say infant. You were once an infant. Say infant. Great. And this one. Say ink. Ink. Great job. And I have here, oops, what are these? I have here praying mantis, oops, grasshopper, ladybug. We call this insects. Say insects. This is the uppercase I. Say uppercase I. This is the lowercase I. Say lowercase I. This is the uppercase I. And this is the lowercase I. This is how we write the uppercase I. Standing line. Go back to the top and a short sleeping line. Go back to the bottom and a short sleeping line. And this is how we write the lowercase I. Short standing line and a dot on top. Uppercase I and lowercase I. Hi friends! I have here again my friend Timmy.
Hey, yippee!
We will help you or we will teach you our letter and sounds chant. This is how it goes. Are you ready, Tim?
Yes.
Okay, ready. I say inchworm, you say
Inchworm.
I say I, you say
I.
I say I, you say
E.
I say iguana, you say
Iguana.
I say I, you say
E.
I say I, you say
I.
great. Okay, now kids, your turn. Tim and I, we will guide you. You ready? Are you ready again, Tim?
Yes.
Okay, ready. I say inchworm, you say I say I, you say I say I, you say I say infant, you say I say I, you say I say I, you say I say igloo, you say I say I, you say I say invitation, you say I say I, you say I say I, you say I say insect, you 2, say, wow! Very good, team. Thank you, team, for your help. High five. What is this, kids? Yes, insect. Let's learn more about insect. Remember, insect starts with I. Insect. Do you know that insect has 3 body parts? Head, thorax, abdomen, abdomen, head, thorax, abdomen, abdomen. These are the 3 parts of an insect. Head, thorax, abdomen, abdomen. And that's what we're gonna do for our letter I. I will paint insects on letter I. I'll show you how to do it. You just need paint in different colors and water, and then just dip your finger, and then we will paint insect on letter I. Now here, head, the thorax, and the abdomen. Okay, and then we will draw the 6 legs of an insect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops. You can see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There you go. And the eyes and the antenna. Okay, can you see? And then I will paint more. Kids, for our craft idea for letter I will show you how to make or how to create an insect using shapes like this. Okay? But hey, do you know that insects have 6 legs? 6 legs? How about you? How many legs do you have? Yes, 2. I do have 2 legs also. But insects have 6 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How amazing! Insects have 6 legs.